Finding a comfortable seated position. If your right side, your dominant side, bring your left side forward if you're sitting in a cross-legged position. If you want to sit in any other posture, that is absolutely fine. Grand, grand, grand. Just make sure you're comfy. Make sure you feel supported and that you can, for doing our centering, that you can feel at ease, at peace, regardless of the mosquito infestation today. So if you think you're comfortable, see if you can get a little bit more comfortable. Can you wiggle some other things around? Maybe you just need to find a wee bit of movement first before settling in. Right, option to lift the hips up. I'm on my block, always on my block. Me and my tight hips. And closing your eyes when you feel that you're in a nice comfortable spot that you can maintain for the next wee bit. And just taking a few nice big deep breaths to start. It's always the best way to kind of come to the present moment. Let go of all the other carry-ons that go on in our day. Busy, busy days. When do we not, right? So, bringing awareness to our two energies, feeling really grounded through your sitting bones, feeling really soft through the lower back. I mean, like the lower back, like really, like just the kind of the lumbar, yeah. So just right above the butt, in the middle, just feeling soft and relaxed there, heavy through the sitting bones. Relax through the groin. Relax through the legs and knees, front and back. Lower legs, soft, comfortable. Ankles, feet and toes relaxed. From the waist up, feeling length, feeling a lightness, feeling open through the chest, upper back, face soft, just checking mid-brow, checking the jaw, mouth and tongue. You've got a lot of lovely sounds today. Excuse me. Cue cough. Some lovely sounds, lots of birds in our area. So let's bring our awareness to sounds, but searching in the distance first. So it's almost like you're searching like a radar, scanning for distant sounds. And what can you hear? When you've found one sound, you search for another sound. And then we'll bring the awareness closer to yourself, to your surroundings, and same scanning, motion, action, like a radar. And when you find one sound, jump to the next. Now let's move to bouncing your awareness to sounds that are in the distance, to sounds that are close to you. And just keep it moving, bouncing back and forward, back and forward. Bring awareness back to the breath. Just take a nice big deep breath in through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Stay with the breath. Enjoy. Breathe in here. Perhaps feeling a little bit softer through the body. Mind a little bit more focused in the present. Hey, do you need some sunshine? Yes. Do you need a wee bit of space, like mental, physical space from your day to day? Yes. Do you need some TLC? Yes, absolutely. Please sign me up. Where am I going? You are coming to the south of Spain, beautiful Costa del Luz, for a weekend yoga and mindfulness retreat with me. You are number one. Look after yourself. Disconnect, concentrate on yourself, and then return home feeling refreshed, vitalized, happy, and ready to kick ass. Like, how good does that sound? How good is that gonna be? Visualize it, feel it, check out wherever it is, the button, click on the link, and go and have a wee nosy at my retreat. I will see you soon. Take care of yourself today.